start to May yesterday, which was glorious.
One more day, Charlotte.
Oh, that's it.
I
That was
know,
summer over.
I already have heard people saying, oh, it's a little bit too hot. And when I was trying to get back on the train yesterday, there were train delays and cancellations because it was... That's frustrating.
Shocking.
We just can't cope, can we? But yes, let me talk you through the stats of what happened yesterday. So we had the warmest May day that we have ever recorded in the UK. And we've actually had some pretty record-breaking weather lately because we now have all of the April stats in. April was the sunniest April we have ever recorded. Anywhere this peachy orange colour had above average rainfall. Some of these darker colours here and here, we had up to 70% of our April sunshine, so nearly double the amount that we would normally see. Not just been sunny, it's also been very dry and very warm as well. So yes, yesterday was... But yes, after that warm day yesterday, the big question, as Charlotte said, how long is it set to last? Just one more day. The divide between the cool air to the north, the jet stream, the warm air to the south. And you can see the jet stream slipped southwards as we head through the weekend, pushing away that warm air and turning cooler for all of us, with temperatures pretty much sitting around about average.
Laura, standing by.
Hi, and how come you haven't got shorts on today?
Because it's not the hottest day of the year so far.
That is true.
Is that right?
That's true.
Great, bye. Run it!
It was yesterday.
Run it, Stuart!
I bet the shorts and the guns were out yesterday because, yes, yesterday was, we talked about it, the warmest 1st of May, the warmest start to May that we have ever recorded. We got to 29.3 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees above our previous record 1st of May temperature. But if the heat and humidity is too much for you, we've had this mild air with us. Yes, it is a complicated science, but certainly more straightforward at the moment. Yesterday was a warm one. It was record-breaking, the warmest 1st of May we've ever recorded. We were forecasting it, and it smashed our previous record by 2 degrees Celsius. It's cooler this weekend. Welcome news if the heat's been too much for you. Lots of sunshine around today. It could trigger an isolated thunderstorm across the south and east. 26, 27 degrees our top temperature, a little cooler across the north, and it turns cooler for all of us as we head through the weekend, but staying largely dry. That's it for me for now. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain here on ITV1. Good morning to you. After yesterday's record-breaking weather where we talked about it, said it could happen, and it did, we had our warmest 1st of May that we've ever recorded, actually smashing the previous record by 2 degrees Celsius. If this warm weather is way too much for you, the air mass shows this warm air that's still across England and Wales being pushed away by colder conditions. Good morning to you. Yesterday, we were talking about how yesterday could have been the warmest 1st of May we've ever recorded. And it happened. 29.3 degrees, smashing the previous record by nearly 2 degrees Celsius. And if this heat and humidity is too much for you, this air mass shows the warm air in the south, but cooler air floods in this weekend, so temperatures fall back down to average. Today is largely fine and dry. There will be a few showers across the north, a few showers breaking out in the south as the humidity builds. Fresher conditions in the north back to around about average with sunny spells, but blue skies for southern areas and temperatures up to 27 degrees Celsius, so still warm like yesterday. Tonight it's fresher in the north, a fine start to the south, and actually this weekend it stays largely dry. Saturday, sunny spells, cooler for all, but staying dry into the bank holiday Monday.